Hello everyone. Today I'll show you some important settings that you should double check. When you buy a phone, by default you have features enabled that allow certain apps to command a certain removal of image everything on your phone. God forbid you get an app that actually damages all your data and you'll be completely shocked at what you'll do with this phone and everything that happens via at the there aren't as many malware apps on phones and Android as there are on computers, but they still exist, and you could suddenly fall for a trick or nestable. And the best thing, of course, is to raise the access for certain apps beforehand. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it with a friend. So let's go to the default settings, and we're interested in the option called Privacy Protection Voice. You can tell by the icon on the left side. It's usually the same on all phones. And then there's privacy. The icon is slightly different, but these are similar functions. Look, it happens that you go not to privacy protection, but specifically to prefere OPTT, and therefore you can find anything, and therefore you can't go benish bigger. Let's go to privacy. And here is a huge list of settings. We are interested in a special permission. Let's go here. And look, there are also a lot of settings here. We are interested in just one setting, which is called Change System Settings. This line. If you still can't find it, try searching for it through the settings search, the standard search. Let's go to this line. And here, well, almost all applications are friends. Of course, everyone will have different numbers. The number is different there. So you need to go through each one. Look, I have about 120 apps on my phone, but here it only shows me, well, 30 apps, probably, maybe more, maybe less. And so let's say I go to the voice reader, allow changes to system settings. The application can change system settings. Basically, system settings are all those functions you configure yourself to keep your phone secure, but this can easily change you've pulled this remote of CR. And sometimes you have configured everything, lived peacefully for one day, and then the next some app starts messing things up, and you're left scratch your head. What should you do next? You have to reconfigure everything. Basically, you need to double check. I already have some settings disabled because I've done this before, but some of these settings remain. For example, allowing the camera to easily change them, so the camera could be spying on you. It could also be recording audio eavesdropping and also sorts of other things. Basically, you really need to go to server at the video each app and enable them all. They'll continue to work as they always have, and I'm sure they won't even ask. I've been using my phone for a while, and I've had this set up for a while. It's just that the latest updates overwrote all the settings. I've used the phone for a while now, and not once have any of these apps asked for access to system settings. When I launched it, that is, none of these apps need this at all. This is most likely done more for the developers, so they can access all the apps list roga la tagu kuffer. If you suddenly change something there to prevent data from being collected from these apps, they can turn the slider back off themselves. So certainly advisable to do all this. Take access to contacts, for example. Why access contacts? For some obscure person who, say, created this app, in short, go through all the apps you have shared cache. They will be different in each one. And really disable this nuisance just to prevent changes to your system settings.